Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today in this course we are going to take you through the basics of HTML. HTML is hypertext markup language. It's used for structuring a web page. It's not like Python, JavaScript, C++. It's not a programming language. It's just used for structuring a web page. So we are going to take you through the basics of HTML. You are going to learn how to create paragraphs, links, images, tables, and so on. So as you can see, we have already downloaded, we have installed our editor. This is our editor, VS Code. We are going to use VS Code, Visual Studio Code. So if you don't know how to download, install VS Code, you can go to Google and search how to install VS Code. So now, as you can see, the first thing you are going to do after you install your editor, you are going to open your folder or name your program. As you can see here, we are going to open our folder. We are going to save it inside our desktop. So we are going to create new folder. We are going to create new folder. We are going to name it my program. As you can see, my program. Then we are going to select the folder. After you select the folder, so this is where we are now. We have already named our program. That's my program. The next thing, you are going to create a file, new file for your HTML. We are going to name it new.html. As you can see, you save it. So now we are good to go. The first thing you are going to type while starting your structure of your web page is doc type HTML. This is the first line of code that you are going to type. The next, I'm coming back to explain what this doc type HTML means. The next thing is you are going to type HTML. As you can see, this one too I'm coming back to explain. The next thing, we need head, as you can see, and then the next thing, we need body. So I'm going to type body too. We are going to type body, as you can see. So we have, these are the basic foundation of HTML while structuring, while creating your web page. So what does this first line of code means? This first line of code, doc type HTML, this line tells the web browser that this document is an HTML5 document. It is important because it ensures the browser render the page correctly. What does that mean? Let me now delete this. Let me delete it. I'm going to delete it, show you something. So as you can see, I've already deleted this line of doc type HTML. Let's check our browser to see how our page will look. So as you can see, this is our web page. We did not type anything. We have already started structuring our web page. This is the web page that we have now. So I'm going to show you something. I'm going to check our browser. As you can see, so as you can see, let me bring it closer. As you can see, this page is in Quark mode. Page layout may be impacted. For standard mode, use doc type HTML. As you can see, so if you are not using this doc type HTML, so your web page will be in Quark mode. Something may happen to your structuring of your web page. Your layout may disorganize. So let's go back and see how. Let's check again. Let's press Ctrl I here. As you can see, the render mode is Quark mode. If it is standard mode, so that means we use the doc type HTML. Now let's go back to our browser, our editor, to type doc type HTML. We are going to type, as you can see, doc type HTML. So let's go back to our browser and see what will happen. Let's press Ctrl I. As you can see, render mode is in standard compliance mode. That means our web page will be standard compliance mode. And if we expect our browser here, you can see we don't have any problem. That means our web page is in standard mode. As you can see, even Google, let's check Google to see the first line of structuring the Google. What is there? As you can see, this is Google. Let's expect it. and see the first line of structuring the Google. As you can see, this is the first line when structuring the Google. So doc type HTML is there, is the first line of code that they type when structuring a Google. So it is very important. That shows that they are using HTML5. They are not using the old one. They are using the HTML5 doc type HTML. So that's it for HTML doc type. So and the next thing is we are going to talk about HTML tag. As you can see here, we have HTML open tag and closing tag here. What does this work? This tag, this HTML tag wrap the entire HTML content. Everything that makes up your web page should be inside this tag. That's the work of this HTML open tag and closing tag. And this head, the head tag, open tag and closing tag of this head, what does this mean? This head tag means it contains meta information about the document, like the title. We are coming back in our journey. I will explain further for this head. And the next thing is body. What does body do? This tag, open tag and closing tag, this tag defines the body of your web page. Everything visible on your web page should be inside this tag. So that's the work of this body. So I hope you understand very well how this foundation of structuring your web page is. Next lesson, we are going to continue explaining the basics of HTML. Hope you understand. Thank you.